Can you talk about the nuclear batteries that NASA uses, like the one on the Mars rover? And can waste be used to build batteries? So yes and yes. The nuclear battery that NASA uses, they used it for New Horizons and they use it for rovers, is simply a radioisotopic thermoelectric generator. In other words, it's a thermocouple run backwards. So normally when I have a thermocouple to measure temperature of something, I look at the potential difference between two wires, two dissimilar wires that are welded together. And if there's a temperature difference, then it creates a potential difference that's proportional to that temperature difference. So by creating a temperature difference, by using radioactive isotopes, I'm able to induce a potential that I then am able to run through a circuit and effectively make a battery. And so it's literally just a thermocouple, a standard thermocouple run in reverse. And so yes, you could use radioactive isotopes from used nuclear fuel to make these batteries. The problem with doing that is that the overwhelming majority of radioisotopes from used nuclear fuel emit gamma rays, and so you need a lot of shielding for that gamma rays if you're going to have people around it. The Soviets did this once with strontium and yttrium because they're pure beta emitters, and so with the pure beta emitters you don't have the same gammas coming off. The problem that they had with those was that the beta emitters created bremsstrahlung, basically breaking radiation. The electrons, as they're being decelerated as they range out to deposit their kinetic energy as heat in the material and so operate this radioisotopic thermoelectric generator, they would generate bremsstrahlung, and these are basically ionizing radiation photons that would come out of the source. But they were put up in the Arctic regions where the Soviets believed that people would leave them alone, and turns out people didn't quite leave them alone. But they would generate energy, electricity, at remote places in the far north. And so I hope that answers the question. I thank you for watching it. I hope you all learned something and that you all have a wonderful day.